Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your profile picture in PUBG Mobile with email. So first we're going to go to the PUBG Mobile app. Then we're going to click on our profile section on the top left corner. So as you can see, this is the profile picture which PUBG assigned. Then next we're going to click on settings. After we click on the arrow, then link email. Then after security verification, we're going to link our email here. Then we're going to enter our email address, then verification code. We're going to solve this puzzle for a CAPTCHA. Then next we're going to set our password. Then once we're done, we're going to click on OK. So they're going to ask us to log in again with our email. So we're going to click on the login again option. So we're going to click on phone or email option. So since we're going to log in with our email, then as you can see, when we click on our profile, it's going to be blank, but this is blank because our email's official website is blank. That's all, but you can change the avatar here by buying options. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.